So this is the, you know, reception, foyer area.
Oh, sorry.
She don't know what she's doing in there.
I'm so pissed.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Shalina and I'm back with a new video today.
Why are you mocking me? This guy has been mocking me with my intro for so long, like I'm actually tired of it now. Like leave me alone.
No, you don't understand. I'm a fan of Shalina's intro.
As you might know already, because we teased it in our previous vlog, we are about to move houses. Finally! I mean, we've been living in our apartment for over 3 years and it was cramped and it was getting too much. We now found our dream home and we have the keys already. We have to do an empty house tour today, but I hope you guys are excited to see our new home. I'm so excited.
I think they will like it.
I think you guys are gonna love it. Anyway, let's not talk too much. Let's get inside. Stay tuned.
Let's get straight to the video.
No, we don't say this today. Let's get straight into the house. Come on in. Welcome to our new crib.
Oh, nice, nice. Thank you. Thank you for the hospitality.
Guys, this is our new hallway. As you can hear, there's nothing in this house and that's why it sounds like that. We have the marble floor.
Yes, it's looking great. It's looking nice. Good. So this is the, you know, reception, foyer area.
Oh. Sorry.
She don't know what she's doing in there.
I'm so pissed. I'm so excited. The first door when you come in to the right. I'll show you what's in here.
Okay.
And you know what I love, guys? The white doors with the silver detailing.
Amazing.
And there's literally nothing in here. Oh, in this house. Besides the toilet roll. I've just seen the toilet roll. So
this girl's too funny. Imagine we went to the shop, she bought a whole pack of toilet roll. I was like, why are you buying toilet roll? No one's at the house.
Here is the guest toilet. Yeah. We've been walking in and out with our shoes on, that's why it's a bit dirty. But we're gonna get everything clean and look at this big sink.
I don't know if you can see how big the sink is.
Look, let me just stand here so you know how big it is.
But yeah.
We can both stand here and it's just
stand here and
that is it.
That's it. So
and of course when we have toilet paper, you know, the hand wash. Yeah, it's the massive sink here. And then we have lots of storage down here. I don't even know what to put into the guest toilet, but you know what? I have so much stuff.
Trust me.
I'll find something.
I don't think you realize that this room is actually quite big, you know.
I know you can proper do a dance battle in here.
You ready?
Like
you wanna start?
No.
Show us the TikTok dances that you've been doing.
Can I do this? So that was the very first room when you get into a house, you know, you need to do a little wee, run inside. And when you walk down here, we have our staircase upstairs, but we're not gonna start.
We're not going up there yet.
Exactly, we're not gonna start there. But I'm gonna show you this little room here. It's like a boiler room. Yeah, it still looks nice, to be honest with you. We also have underfloor heating downstairs. Upstairs it's radiators, but that is so amazing. So when it gets cold outside, the whole floor will be warm. It looks so luxury. But you know, we're gonna get to that part in a little bit. Let's get into our dining area slash kitchen. Woo! This is our dining area here. We need to get why am I turning around so much?
You're spinning around, you're getting too excited. Calm down.
We actually need to get a big dining table here, a nice cozy dining chair.
Let's show how big this room is. So the dining room.
Dining room.
It's like down there. Look how small she is. So yeah.
Yeah, this is the dining area. Obviously the dining area is connected to the amazing kitchen. So from the dining area, we have the kitchen. So yes, Paddy, are you ready to cook? I don't even know how to.
What we have here
is an induction hob, right?
Yep. So you gotta switch it on, you know?
Who can help us in the comments, because I don't know what to do with that.
I think I know how to do it, you know?
Yeah?
You select which one you want to use, then you turn up the temperature.
Okay. Okay.
That's how it goes.
That's how it goes.
I still don't know how to use it.
Here you guys can see us. And then we have lots of storage, like literally everywhere. Like show them, like it doesn't stop. It doesn't stop here, everywhere. So washing machine, kitchen.
This is just slightly
more.
This
Here
is
we have the
dishwasher,
dishwasher.
the big one.
And that's where we're gonna store our bottles. Yeah, lots and lots of storage. Yeah, we have our microwave grill here. I think this is a microwave grill.
Microwave grill, an oven.
And we have more storage down here.
Yes.
And this is our fridge, freezer, but you know what? Water, guys. Here is the kitchen.
Yes.
Here we have Uptown P1 from the gram with the wave. No more waves anymore, with the curls. With the curls, okay? Open this magic door for us. Let me go a bit back because
we need the, it's like bowling alley.
yeah, trust me. The door. Woohoo! And this is our living room.
This is the living area, you know, where we're gonna have a nice couch.
Yep.
We're gonna have the TV up here somewhere, and then we're gonna style it like quite nice in here. You know, very minimalistic. That's what we're dealing with at the moment.
Yeah, let me turn the lights on actually. We have a lot of space, guys. I don't even know how to.
Do you guys remember our living room before? Was like, let's say, a quarter of this room.
A quarter of this room. And now the amazing thing is that you can close the doors and have your dining area there with the kitchen, or you can leave it open and, you know, have a whole barbecue here in the house. It's
Lovely.
It's
Lovely
so cozy.
carpet. So as you guys can see, we have no curtains or anything
nothing.
like that. Like it's literally very empty.
We have a garden here.
The garden area, it doesn't look great at the minute, but watch the refurb. The refurb is happening.
Yeah, there's
but
a lot
it
of
is very
space.
very big garden space. You know?
I'm learning now. Yes. Yeah, we're gonna get some fake grass and stuff because you know it's too much maintenance like that. But enough talking. Now, you know, you probably see this door in the hallway, and this is actually how the hallway looks from this side.
Okay, let's have a look.
Go upstairs. Follow me, guys.
Follow your girl.
Follow me down to the destination.
Who's ready to hear Shalina's song?
Forget it. But yeah, now we're upstairs. And
This is upstairs. This is how it looks from a bird's eye view.
very cozy.
Very cozy.
Upstairs we're starting with the first room to the right of me, and that's gonna be the office / guest room because we're getting quite a lot of guests also from Germany or his family. Yeah, this is also where we're gonna keep our lights and all of these things that you know that you need, and printers and all these things that are currently in our bedroom where we're just getting loco. Yeah, but super cozy and beautiful and bright.
Take us to the second destination.
And right to the guest room
This is where the magic happens.
is our master bedroom. Yeah, this is our
So you see the difference?
bedroom.
So this is the master bedroom, guys.
It's quite big. Look where I am right now.
Hi, sure. Let's play catch.
Okay, let's go with
Alright, go on. Don't take the piss though. Don't take the piss. Hack it. Oh.
It obviously has an ensuite, because without no ensuite, I'm not moving anywhere. Yeah, we have this nice marble finish windows in our
With the
shower, a rain shower.
Rain shower as well.
And again, a very big thing, I would say. It's not as big as downstairs, but it's quite big. We have storage here. Yeah. Yeah, we actually have quite some areas where we can also decorate something, because in our current bathroom there's nothing. It's literally just blonde and dark. And I am obsessed with these light bathrooms that we have.
So we are going now to
Our storage. So we have a little, yeah, let's say, yeah, this is our little storage room. Cleaning products and maybe dirty laundry and Yeah, we're gonna find
Hoover and
something.
stuff.
I don't know if we should keep the Hoover downstairs though because of the kitchen. No, so it's better for us unless
To keep it
we want to work
downstairs.
out 4 times a day and run it up. But this is the storage, and then we come into our 3rd bedroom, and that is going to be our sneaker room / closet, however you want to call it. And it's massive, guys. I can't wait for the transformation. This whole wall, we were actually planning to have a whole big sneaker wall. Guys, can you imagine how many sneakers you can put up here? Look how big this wall is. Like, I'm literally here. This is the beginning of the wall.
Let's go for our walkies.
Yeah.
And I'm here.
Listen, guys, there's so much space, and the ceiling is high as well. So this side is going to be the sneaker wall. On this side, we also going to put up probably a closet or something. You know us, yeah? We are moving somewhere. We're like, where can we put all our sneakers here? Like, we don't even care about the clothes. We just like, yeah, okay, this big wall is sneakers. Like, no, we will be like, okay, the clothes will be here. No, it's all about the sneakers, guys. Do you want to show us the next room?
Let's go.
By the way, guys, he's wearing his own brand right now, which is Coda. Make sure to check it out. I'm going to link it in the description box. It's Liddy. And now show us the last room.
This is actually my favorite room. I think I said that about another room, but every room is not my favorite room, but this room is actually really nice. I really like this room. Let's go. The bathroom, guys.
The family bathroom.
Yes.
With another toilet roll.
And it's this is the bathroom. We've got a nice,
Deep
very
bathtub.
nice sized bath.
What I love the most about this bathtub is that the water is coming out here.
Yes, like
so me and
hotels.
Patrick can take a nice bath if we want to together, and no one's back has to hurt. You know how it was in the past.
And it has a shower too.
And a rain shower.
That's nice. I said we have the big sink again with the storage space. So we have that. Then we have this, you know.
It's a dream come
and a lot of
true.
room, which I don't know what we're gonna do here, but
I don't know what we're gonna do. It's a lot of
saying?
room. Guys, I'm absolutely gassed, and this is just the beginning because it doesn't even have no furniture in here. Wish us luck, guys. 8 to 12 weeks, sometimes even 16 weeks. So by Christmas, I'm gonna have a count.
But like I said, I'm just chilling on the floor lately. So every time you come in now, I'll be like on my laptop. You know them ones.
Yeah, that's literally how he's chilling
It's me
there.
every day now. You know what I'm saying?
Do you know what? The carpet is actually also so comfortable that you can actually chill
Trust.
on the floor for hours. Like I was on
True.
FaceTime early on with my friend Ling. Shout out to Ling.
Loving this.
And we're looking forward to a lot of celebrations in here. Christmas celebrations, having guests
Christmas
over.
gonna be vibes.
Do you remember my struggle Christmas tree?
Christmas?
Do you remember my
We used to
struggle?
have the Christmas tree, it was about this big.
Watch out for the Christmas tree this year. We might even do Vlogmas this year. Do you guys want us to do Vlogmas?
Vlogmas.
I mean, let's see. There will be another house tour when everything is furnished. Let us know in the comments, what did you love the most about this house? Like, what is your favorite? I'm asking for a favorite room and all rooms look the same. You should get this type of table or whatsoever. Let a girl know. I'm open to hear anything that you have on your mind. And then make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on all my social media
Selena on
accounts.
all the social media accounts.
Also follow Uptown P1 from the
You know, you
gram.
can follow Coda, you know, that's the new thing. You get what I'm saying? Follow, go see some, see a t-shirt, cup of tea, whatever you want to do, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
We'll
and
see you
then
guys
again
in the
our
next video.
Bye bye.